Hey, hold on. I know you want to start content creation since Nigeria is now eligible for monetization, because we all heard that Facebook is giving a lot of money to content creation part. But before you get started, I know you are eager to start. But before you get started, I want to tell to you about 5 good things you need to know before you start content creation. Of course, the time to start is now, but I want to explain to you 5 good things you need to know before you start content creation. By now you might have opened your page. Yes, everybody know how to open a page. So before you get started in content creation, my sister, no go collect lapo. Yes, because you want to buy a good phone with a good camera. Yes, so now you go to Opay, you want to borrow money. Please don't do that. Start where you are with what you have. The least Android phone has a camera and you can do your video on it. So because you don't have a good phone now, you are depressed, you don't know where to start. My sister, my brother, use that phone in your hand to start content creation. Yes, that is number 1. Then number 2 is that you are bothered about background to shoot your video. You don't have the background. Maybe you live in a face me, I face you. You don't have a good background to shoot your video and you are depressed. My brother, go and start in the front of that your face me, I face you. Start where you are. Even if it is your room, get a space and start content creation. Like now you can see that I'm just standing in my sitting room and I'm talking to my camera. You can't tell me that you want to go and borrow money before you get a background. You want to get a nice wallpaper. You want to get a nice painting to your room before you start content creation. My brother, start where you are. It is good. I didn't dispute the fact that starting with a good background is not good. No, I didn't dispute the fact that starting with a good camera is a bad idea. No, if you have a good camera, start with it. If you don't have a good camera, start with it. If you don't have a good background, start with the one you have. Then that is number 2. Number 3 is that lightning. Yes, lightning. You would love to start content creation, but no get light for your area. Abi, never know they too bring light like that. And you are depressed. The little time you have to create the content, there is no light. Yes, go and stay beside your window, my brother. Go and stay beside your window. Right now, I'm staying at the front of my door. Yes, and I placed my phone somewhere. Actually, I have a tripod stand. I place my phone on it. Though I have a LED light, I have a ring light, but I don't need that to start my content creation as a beginner. I'm not disputing the fact that if you have, you should not use it. No, I'm only telling you that if you don't have a LED light, you don't have a ring light, and you are bothered about lightning, go and face your window like this, the way I'm doing. Yes, in the afternoon like this, you have enough lightning that is facing the window directly. I also have some place in my room that it is very dark, no, but I don't use that because I need enough lighting. At least people should see you in person. People want to see your face. So go to your window side and put your phone somewhere nice and shoot your video. That is if you don't have a tripod stand, if you don't have a good lightning. That is number 3. I hope you are following me. Please do me a favor by liking, sharing my video, because the 5th part is the amazing part. The 4th part of it is that you want to start a content creation and you don't have an idea what content should I create, how will I create it, how can I get 1,000 subscribers, 100 followers. Is that what you are thinking about right now? Please do away with that. So the 4th of them is contemplation. Are you contemplating on what to start with, how you start, what content should I start with? Should I just stay on the front of camera and begin to tell them my name is so? No, you don't need that. Let me tell you one trick. Yes, it's trick that have been used. You see those people that you are looking forward to, those people that are higher than you, those people, go to their page. Go and check what they are doing. There are a lot of things that you can do. You can check their page. What is this person doing? Okay, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Go and recreate your own. You can do one video and it's not good. Listen to what you say in the video. Go and do it again. If you do it like 3 times, you will get it. Yes, go and recreate those videos that those people you are looking forward to has done earlier. Go and look at it and do your own. We have a teaching line in Facebook. You can go in the nature of teaching, you can go in the nature of prank, but I will advise you that you should follow your mind. What can you do? That is the main issue. What can you do? What can you do? Do you have the strength to do prank? Go and do it. Do you have the strength to teach? Go and do it. Do you have the strength to crack jokes? Go and do it. Do you have the strength to conduct games, get people together and conduct games? Go and do it. But the major purpose of this video is that to encourage all those content creators that just want to start it like us, like this. Go and start where you are. Stop contemplating. And the fifth part is that this one go show. Yes, that is what have been helping me in all my social medias. Yes, get a notebook. Yes, a notebook and a pen. You need to get a notebook and a pen. As you can see, this is my notebook and this is my pen. Yes, whatever ideas you have, write it down. How you want to do it. Even if you want to say in that book, write the Yes, go and jot those things that you think you want to talk about. Draft those topics. Draft like 5 topics. Script them down. Write those things that you want to say. Go and check those videos, as I said. Those people that have done same thing, the one you want to do, go and recreate it. Write it down. Script it down. Don't just know it on your head. Get a notebook and a pen. Write it down. Make sure you practice it maybe once or twice in a day before you get to your camera, before you face your camera, so as to get that courage. Nobody won't become talkative for Facebook. Yes, make I tell you that. Nobody wants to become a talkative on Facebook. It's because all of us are looking for this money. Yes, money, ego, everybody is looking for it. So go and work on yourself as a beginner in a content creation. I hope this video is helpful. So if this video is helpful to you, make sure you like, follow my page, share this content to those people that want to start content creation. Let them go and start where they are. Don't allow them to go and take lapo because they want to do content creation. Do you know how much all these gadgets cost? Do you know? Ring light, I think, is 15k upward. LED light is 40k upward. If you want to get an iPhone, you know what it costs you to get an iPhone. So go and do all these things. With time, you get the money to buy all these gadgets. Yes, and you'll be proud of your past. You'll be proud of your past. That is this me. So I want you to go under the comment section and tell me what you think about this video I've just talked about. Whatever you plan to learn next in my video, just let me know under the comment section. Drop your question, drop your opinions on what I've just said. Drop your opinion. Drop the next topic you want me to talk about. I want to teach you. I want to hold you by the hand so that we can grow together. Yes, you cannot grow alone. Yes, I cannot grow alone. We need ourselves to grow. So I will see you in my next video.